Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 164. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 covering both of these boxes, so our 3 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here. So this is our 4. 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this top row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. And for this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 7. And I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 7 here and 5 here. So this has to be our 9. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. And that 7 makes this our 4, 7. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. That 2 makes this our 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. To finish out this box, we're missing an 8. And for this box, we're missing a 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.